Yeah, hi. We are from SVS Embedded. The project title name is Wi-Fi Automation ESP8266 with Arduino. Arduino Uno R3 board, ESP8266 AI Thinker module, and two LEDs, power supply, 5 volts power supply module, 16 cross 2 LCD display, relay 1, 2, 3, bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, AC bulbs, and one DC fan. And those are connected with RX TX 0 and 1, LED 5th pin, LED to 4, 16 cross 2 LCD display A0, A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, and 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 11, 8, 9, 10 AC bulbs, and 11th pin is DC fan. So let us coming into the hardware part. Let us coming into the hardware part. So here we are using a 9 volts adapter power supply module. So bridge rectifier, filter capacitor, 7805 regulator, and one LED. So these two for LED 1 and these two for LED 2. ESP8266 Wi-Fi module, 16 cross 2 LCD display, bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, and relay 1, relay 2, relay 3, 5 volts SPDT relay, single pole double through relay. Purpose of the relay is to switch on and switch off the AC bulb, and one DC fan, and Arduino Uno R3 board, 16 cross 2 LCD display. So now I am going to switch on the power. Now I am switch on the power. Smart connectivity using Wi-Fi and Android. So here we are using one app which is freely available from Google Play Store. So here we are using one Android app. So you type Arduino Home Automation. So first one is the Wi-Fi home automation using Open. So there are the connectivity bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, and one fan, and LED 1, LED 2. So please open the app and connect it. Okay, bulb 1 on, bulb 2 on, bulb 3 on, and 4 and 5 not using, and fan, LED 1, okay, and LED 2, okay, these two, and all off. Okay, now bulb 1 on, connect, bulb 1 on, bulb 1 off, bulb 2 on, bulb 2 off, bulb 3 on, bulb 3 off, fan on, fan off, LED on, two LEDs on, LEDs off, these two LEDs on, those two LEDs off, all on. Okay, all on. So all on, then all off. So to this 330 ohm resistor, two LEDs 1, LEDs 2, 16 cross 2 LCD display, bulb 1, bulb 2, bulb 3, 3 AC bulb, 15 watt bulb, fan, and 3 relay coils, and Wi-Fi ESP8266 module. So please open the app and reconnect. So here you need to press Wi-Fi home automation. Okay, so bulb 1 on, bulb 1 off, bulb 2 on, bulb 2 off, bulb 3 on, bulb 3 off. So fan on, fan off, LED on, LED off, LED 2 on, LED 2 off. Thanking you. If there is any doubt, let me know to SVS Embedded.